Hello, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chinex Creative. So today I bring to you this beautiful and amazing style. Measurement is 50-50. So while you watch this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share so that those who are interested in knowing how to do this style or tie gele will be able to see and also learn. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. All right, so here I'm arranging the pleat. You know one thing about pleat makes your gele come out beautiful. All right, don't rush while tying any gele that has to do with pleat. So just make sure you arrange your pleat properly. So that is what I'm doing here, arranging my pleat. All right, so here I'm going to twist the two hand at the back. Yes, so if you are a beginner, you have to be a friend of twist. Yes, you have to be a friend of twists, like twisting your two geles, just the way you will see me do here now. Yes, twisting like this. If you are a beginner and you don't know how to do any other style that has to do with found stuff like that. So here, see the way I pin that place down. So here is where the style comes. My gele is 60 inches. It's not very long. That is why I decided to make this tie to look this way. So the gele I'm using is not up to 60 inches as I said earlier. So here I'm going to pin. When you get to this point, just lift it up the way you saw me do. Yes, and then arrange it and also form the same twist on this other hand and take it up. So after you pull pin, just push it up with at the way you want it to be, how you want. You can even see push it more than this. So here, see what I'm going to do, because my gele hand is not as long as the other one, because I wanted to form the same thing. But then this is where the creativeness or the creativity comes in. All right, you just have to think outside the box. So instead of doing the same thing, I decided to see, okay, let me lift these two hands up. Let's see what it will look like. And when I did it, it gave me a perfect look. It gave me a beautiful look. So this is the finishing part. Tell me what you think about this style. Do you see how beautiful it is? Very, very beautiful. You can try this style out. So here, let's assume your hair is packing gel. You can fold this place this way. But if your hair is like mine and you want to close it, please make your pleat only 4 or 5 lines. That is the base, so that you can be able to cover your back. So see how beautiful this style is. Please, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.